Hi again. Welcome on this part of our tutorial. I'm going to present you the drivers tab. Basically in the last tutorial we had the control panel. Now we had the drivers. What it is and what we will see in this drivers tab. We have at the top the number of all the existing drivers. What that means, it means all the drivers are recorded in our system. Basically all the drivers we will add here. Drivers in fuel records, it means how many drivers from our entire list has been recorded in the fuel in fuel nodes. For example, if Olivia Brown has recorded nodes fuel 4 times, as in here, he will see as a single driver as it is the same driver. Okay, so we have 8 drivers in fuel nodes, 8 drivers who paid for the fuel. In the left side we have this classification: drivers by age, in the center driver by license classes, and driver by license availability. In drivers by age we have a small demographics section for our existing recorded drivers. So we have 0 drivers smaller than 20 years, 2 drivers with ages between 20 and 30, 6 between 30 and 40, and so on. A small circle chart for these statistics. So we have 6, 4, 30 and 40 years for better visibility. In the center section we have drivers by license classes. So basically we have all drivers, how many license classes does they have, how they cover our necessary for the license classes. So we have 4 drivers with A license class, 6 with C license class, 4 with A license class, 9 with B license class, and so on, and also a bar chart for a better visibility of this. So 9 drivers does have a B class license. Okay, in the right section we have drivers by license availability. What that means, it means that their license does have an expiration date, and we will have these statistics here. So 9 drivers with a valid license class, 1 driver from these 9, one will have his license expired in less than 30 days, and 2 drivers with their license class expired. So here also a chart representing 9, 2, meaning 9 valid, 2 with red expired, and 1 valid less than 30 days. What we will do further, if we want to record, let me delete these because I have used in my preview example, and I don't know any other driver name to say so. So basically we will record. Let's say I don't have anything here and I need to record a new driver. So new driver, to say date of birth. Let's say he is born on February 29. Let's make it in 29. Oh, not in 2024. His date of birth. He is born in 1982. Okay, so 29 February 1992. 1982. What happened here? '29, 28 February 2090, 82. Okay. License number, let's record the license number in here, a random license number. I don't know which one to record. We will see a red notification, a red error here, because we need to record at least a license class for every driver. If he have a license, he needs to have also a license class. So let's assume this new driver has B. Once we record at least one, we see that the error is going down, so we can record also as many as we need for this driver depending on his license classes. Okay, so license expiration date, let's presume it will expire in February 23 2024. Okay, we'll see the notification live that this license, the license for this driver is expired and he has to do something about that. Also, we have now 3 drivers with license expiration with the license expired. If I, let's presume it's in 2025, he does have 253 days of validity for his license class, and we have only 2 now, as we see here, with this valid warning for every driver. Going forward, let's associate this driver with a category, to say so, with a department. So even if it's a good transportation or staff transportation, we can simply do it from here. It will not affect the system in any way. It's just for our statistics, to say so. We will know that this driver is going to do staff transportation stuff. Employment date, let's presume it was employed in May 12 2019. Okay, the system will tell us that his tenure is 5 years 1 month and 4 days. Automatically this is calculated based on the employment date we enter here. Further, we have the option to associate this driver with a fuel card number if he does have a fuel card, and the system will let us know that this fuel card is valid or not. Let's select another one from here. We will see that we don't have any notification. Why that happens? That is easy, because in the control panel, when we recorded all the fuel card numbers, we haven't recorded the expiration date for this fuel card, so we will not know if this card is valid or expired. So going back to the driver, we have 6000 at the end for this card. 6000 is this one, and let's presume this will expire in June 25 2024, and we see there now it's valid. And also in the drivers, this is valid again. Let's make it a bit expired. Okay, so expiration date May 25 2024, and also the status is expired. We have this double check into sides for the fuel card, and we can't miss this notification, and we can take any action we would like based on the status. Further, we just have to record some contact details for this driver, and some for emergency cases in case we need. Okay, the last thing I'd like to mention here is that this entire list of drivers is updating the entire system. So the drivers we record here is automatically available for us on the entire system. So as a thing, in the dashboard tab, when we select the drivers, we see new driver here. Okay, in the custom reports also, if we select, we have the new driver here. Also here, that is the month. Here in all drivers, if we select, we see new driver. So if we add any new drivers, let's presume driver 2, everything will be automatically updated. Let's presume we will add a fuel note, and we have to add the driver. We see the driver here, and in the dashboard, all drivers, we see new driver last, driver 2 here, automatically added to our list. Okay, that was all for the drivers tab. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good day.